uNiehaus uvele enkantolo yemanje yasemtshezi ephelekezelwa ngamanye amalungu eANC. Waboshwa bukhoma ekhuluma neSABC wasiwa esitokisini. uNiehaus uyingxenye yeqembu labantu elabuthana ngaphandle kwejele lasemtshezi bezokwesekwa wabengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma odonsa isigwebo sezinyanga eziyishumi-5 ngokwephula umyalelo wenkantolo yomthethosisekelo. uNiehaus ubekwe icala lokwephula umthetho wezenhlekelele i-disaster management kanti yena uthi akazange ayiphule imithetho ye-lockdown futhi angeke wavume lamacala bekwe wona. Wale waphetha nokukhokha imali yokuvuma icala ezinkulungwane-3 zamarandi.
That the COVID-19 charges that had been brought against me are trumped up charges and they intended to put fear into people to express their freedom of speech. So I will not plead guilty to trumped up charges, first of all. I will resist this particular matter and fight it in court. I believe that I had been illegally arrested and detained for a couple of hours here at the local.
Ngaphandle kwenkantolo, uNiehaus ukhulume nabalandeli wabatshela ukuthi akanavalo futhi angeke azavume ukuthi avalwe umlomo ngabantu abathile eqenjini elibusayo.
The ANC is my organization. I love the ANC. I've dedicated my life to the ANC. I say often the ANC is my family. No one will just simply drive me out of the African National Congress because of triumphalism.
Leli cala lihlehlela umhlazi ngama-22 kanye nomhlazi ngama-23 uLwezi.